Are you looking for a way to automatically get an email whenever your business or product name is mentioned on Twitter? With zzBots, you can now install this as a bot pack from our bot store. This bot pack contains one bot. This bot will monitor for when the keyword you specify is contained within a post on Twitter, and then automatically send you an email to notify you. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click next and follow the instructions to connect to your Twitter account. After you finish installing this bot pack, you will be taken to the bots page. All you will need to do here is type the keyword that you want your bot to watch for and then put in your email address. You can add multiple emails here by separating them with a comma. To finish, save your bot and enable it, as shown here. After it is enabled, your bot will continue to monitor for when your business or product name is mentioned on Twitter, and then automatically send you an email to notify you. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your apps together or automate your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be glad to help you.